everybody, Handbag Haul here with part 3 of the show and tell haul. I showed you Coach, I've showed you Dooney and Burke. If you have not seen those, go back to my previous videos and check out the quick reviews of these videos. These next bags I'm going to show you are Brahmin, and these are my sister bags, and she might not leave with one of them. Shh, don't tell her I told you that. Anyway, so the first bag I'm going to show you, I have 4 here that I'm going to show you. The first one is a Brahmin Marley Punchy Coral Melbourne genuine leather crossbody. Isn't that cute? That is the cutest little thing. And it's in the color coral. You have your Brahmin logo here, and it's just a button open, and it's your crossbody strap. It is this adjustable? It is. Yes, so you adjust it here or here. Okay. And then there is the care card right there. And in the inside of this bag, you have your key keeper. And you have a little bitty Brahmin dust bag to keep it in. And this is the inside. You have a small zipper here, and that is it. So fit your phone, probably your card holder, nothing big. Stay up there. Nothing big, but just for a quick run somewhere, this bag will be very, very handy. And I'll leave the measurements in the description, and that was the Marley Punchy in Coral, Melbourne in Coral. That is really cute. I don't know, she might not leave with this one. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna put this back in here the way I found it. I don't want her fussing at me. But yeah, that's cute. All right, that's that bag right there. Right here. Here's another crossbody that I have from my sister. And this one is a cute bag too. This is the Brahmin Anytime Mini Splash Melbourne. That's cute. I like the detail on that. Look at, check that out. Check that out. And so this one comes with a little dust bag too. And in the inside, there is just one zipper pocket right there. And I like this one has that canvas, and it's the stripe print in the inside, if you can see that. Okay. And this one has the Brahmin hang tag and a silver zipper pull and zipper with silver hardware. Okay, and again, that is the Brahmin Anytime Mini Splash Melbourne. I think I'll let her go home with this one. I don't know, but it is kind of cute. It just fits under her arm like that. I don't even know why she should just give me some of these bags. Like I need any more myself. Okay. Why don't I have this here? Oh. Just want to put these all back the way I found them. Oh, this is cute. This is how this one came. Sure. All right, so now I think I showed you this one in a previous video. Why is this bag so heavy? Because she got another bag in here. What is this? Oh Lord, she just got bags everywhere. Okay, y'all see. Well, okay, this is my sister's bag too. So this is the Coach Anna fold over. I remember I did a review on this. I think she got some other stuff. If I find some money, finders keepers. No, this is just the strap. I did the Anna fold over before. You guys seen that. And this, I don't know what this is. This kind of looks like an Aldo bag, and it is. Yeah, this is a bag from Aldo. I don't know what this is. I just found it inside this bag. But I think I did a review of this bag before because my mom had this and she may have given it to my sister. So check out my previous reviews. I won't do this one. Or I will. I'll just give you a brief overview of it. This is the Brahmin. It has a zip here, 2 slips. And I think this one does come with a strap that is straps on the handles, which I don't like. That's why I don't like the Dooney zip. But this bag is the Brahmin Duxbury Satchel in Saffire. That's what this is here. And you see the little, how it changes, it's blue and it kind of got that purple tint to it. Yeah, really cute. I have some hidden bags I didn't even know. She kept that in there. Oh Lord. Okay, sis. So that's that. And then I have one more to show you. I wonder if we have some more secrets somewhere in these bags. So let's see here. Put this back like I found it. One more to show you guys. I think I want to go back out to the outlets today. I don't know. Dooney and Burke. I took you guys with me yesterday. I didn't buy anything, but I did see 2 bags that I like, and I was like, oh, I don't know, I don't want to do it. And I didn't get them, but I'm still thinking about them, so I might have to go back and get them. So this last bag, this bag too, I was like, I don't know, she might not go home with this Brahmin. This is the small Caroline Diamondback Luminary. But this is cute too. Look at that. Look at that. I love this satchel style. This Caroline style in the Brahmin. Because look at how that is detailed. Can you see how that side is made? These sides. That is why I like this. And then it has the 4 feet at the bottom. And this is gold hardware on this. And then the top, when it folds out, it kind of folds out like that. It's a wide opening there. And I like that because your hands won't get all cut up from the zippers. This is the inside. Got a lot of room in here. Got a slip pocket there. And a small zipper pocket here. Here's the zipper pull so you can see it. And then you have a zipper pocket over here. And the zipper pocket is lined with the same print as the bag, which is cute. And then your strap goes onto the back and on the front. and you can adjust the strap if you would like. And it looks like it will adjust to be a crossbody. Right now, I probably couldn't put this over my head, but it could be just a shoulder bag like this. And if you kind of move it out the way, your handle, like if you hold it like this, the handle won't bother you up underneath. So it's kind of like holding your bag like that. That's how I do my top handles that stick up like that. Just kind of hold it like that, so that I hate that when the handle is, you know, getting you underneath your arm. And then on the back, you have a slip pocket there. So that is it, everybody. Thank you for joining me. This last video, these were my sister's bags. She wanted me to show you all. She doesn't have a channel, so I review her bags for her. But we had Brahmin on this video with a couple of Coach surprises and an Aldo surprise. So like I said, if you want to see any of these other bags that I reviewed, there's a part 1 and part 2 of this video, so go check that out. And I am so glad you all joined me, and I will see you on my next video, whatever I have. But join me on Instagram too. Sometimes I give you a little heads up of what I am going to do in my videos for YouTube, so check me out there. And again, Happy New Year to everybody, and I will see you on my next video. Take care.